Okay, great. Thank you. Good evening, everybody. Can everybody hear me? Are
Yes.
we
Yes, ma'am.
connected? Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Can I hear of you?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. We all can
yes,
hear.
we are able to hear you.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, great. Okay, I'll take it that everybody can hear me also then. A very warm welcome to all of you to this We Make Online Learning, creative learning for learning
Yes,
creatively.
ma'am.
I hope all the participants can see this. This is our group image, and I want each one of you to write down either now or later what this means to you. Okay, we have everybody, I'm sure, when they see this, will get some idea about what this means to our group. And so I want you to write about it and then post it to the WhatsApp group. This is our first assignment in our learning group. Okay.
So those who are using the phone, please see that there are two presentations there. One is Kiran, the other one is a presentation, Kiran presentation. Okay, so you click on the Kiran presentation, then automatically you will see this. So you will have to pin that onto your phone. Okay, then only you will see the presentation. Otherwise, you will be seeing Kiran.
I just wanted to let you know that this is a forum where all of us, teachers, teacher educators, and student teachers who are in the making or becoming teachers, and there are engineers, software specialists, and technological specialists, and also senior scientists we have amidst us. So we have all of these resources to help us to move forward in our learning. And it's not that they are going to impose any syllabus. The syllabus will be made by you, and you are going to lead your own learning. And every week you can post what interests you, what you want to do, and we'll pick that up, and that will become the syllabus for the next meeting. Now, apart from that, I'd just like to briefly introduce Prema and Kiran and senior scientist Sharma, who are going to help us with different focus for our learning. Prema will be leading your interest in language learning and improving your own English skills. And Kiran will come in to make everything very interactive using all the technological tools. He's already bursting with ideas to bring in augmented learning into your teaching, and also scratch coding and many more ideas. Even I don't know what they are. I'm eager to learn too. And senior scientist Sharma, he is a wizard at making any difficult learning in science conceptually very easy and interesting for children and for you teachers also. So all of this is going to happen here. And please remember that you are the makers, and you have to make and create your own learning on this forum, making use of all the resources that are available. And all three of them, Prema, Kiran, and Sharma, are all people with immense patience and very with good ideas. And the more you exploit them, the more you will learn. Thank you. I don't like to take any more time. I think we'll go on with the introduction, because this is the first meeting. I think we need to get to know each other, and then we'll carry on with the session.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Over to you.
Thanks, Prema.
Yeah.
So all of us know the saying, practice makes one perfect. Okay. Today my daughter reminded me, no, it is the perfect practice which makes one perfect. So if we are practicing the same defect or error again and again, then we will actually master the same error or defect. So we will learn from Prema what are the normal errors or challenges which we normally basically see in the day-to-day teaching, and how easily you can overcome them. Okay, before that, I want our Sharma sir, our senior scientist in CFTRI, to briefly tell his views and his expectation from this group. Over to you, Sharma sir.
Thank you, Kiran. My expectations are very simple. So how can we use technology in the classroom? So the technology has several dimensions. One is, yes, we are aided by the technology. So the moment we see something, we get scared sometimes, and sometimes we are overwhelmed by the technology. But then how do we use this in our classrooms? Number one. Number two is this. Well, the only simple point that I want to make is that the technology is created by us, means we people. Like we are creating those potteries there, we create it. So we should be knowing how to use them in our classrooms. It provides a lot of opportunity. Let me just give you one small example. When we started, I was just giving the introduction here. Last year we had classes for our PhD students, and we used to have 10 or 15 students to come to the class. Then we used to discuss about writing and all. There was a problem in the sense that there used to be a lot of absentees in those classrooms, mainly because either they could not get time or they could not find time to come at the right moment, and things like that. This year we have COVID, but we have the technology with us. Last year also we had technology, but we never thought of using this. But this year we are sitting at home, but still we are having classes every weekend. And the plus point is, I can tell them on the screen how to write. Okay, if there is a writing, how do I correct the writing that is on the board, which was not possible in a classroom? Because on a board I could write only a few, but I could not bring out other aspects of the writing. But here I can have everything that is on my laptop, and keep the windows open, and open whichever is required, essential, and then explain to them. Or I can also ask them to interact and show their screen, so that if I am doing any mistake, they can correct me simultaneously. So the opportunities provided by technology is limited to how we use them. That's all. So let's go about. And Kiran is the master in bringing new technologies and then adopting it in very novel ways. I know how he has used Raspberry Pi in several occasions. So I think I am excited to learn more from you. Over to you, Kiran.
Thanks, Sharmaji. And for your information, today I am running the whole show on another Raspberry Pi like this. Yeah, now let's quickly introduce ourselves to make it basically crisp. Here is my suggestion. So you have to just briefly tell within 30 seconds you have to introduce yourself, your name, your place, what subject you teach, what is the medium of instruction, and one expectation from this training. Let me repeat, just your name, which place you are from, which subject you handle, what is the medium of instruction, and what is one expectation from this session. This is not just one session. This will be the series which we are starting from today. We will continue whether it's 6 months or 1 year, as long as you are ready to learn. So, okay, let's go ahead. I will just, I will just call the names. We'll start with Indumati ma'am.
Namaste ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ. I am Indumati. I am Kannada teacher in Urdu school, Nashnallipalya, Mysore.
Purna ma'am, over to you.
All right. Good evening. Namaskara ellarku. My name is Purna. I am from Bangalore. I'm a co-founder of an organization called Kids Who Code. We go into affordable private schools and government schools to work and teach coding. I'm super excited to be a part of this group and learn new technologies and the way we can apply them in classrooms. So I'm super excited. Thank you all for putting this together.
Unmute and speak.
Hello sir, hello all. So my name is Huda. I am principal in Acharya Hippocampus School from KR Pete. I also handle biology for high school. One of the thing what I want to learn from here is to learn new ideas and implement it in my school and make learning more exciting and interesting both for my teachers and my students.
Thank you.
With me, my colleague Nagraj. He will take you through a small session on how to use Mekshala. But before that, let me introduce myself and the organization that I work for. So my name is Shubham, and I am an implementation manager in Mekshala. Mekshala is an NGO based out of Bangalore, and we create teachers' resources for the teachers to use in their classrooms, as well as a preparatory tool for the classes that they go before they go to teach in those classes. Now, our lessons are available from grade 1 to grade 8, and in the subjects math, science, social studies, English, and EVS. And our lessons on the app are available in English language as well as Kannada language. So just to give you a brief how the lessons look and where you can access those lessons even on the laptop, we have built a fresh new website for the for all the teachers to access it from the laptop. And to take you through the procedure, to take you through those particular lessons, I'll let my colleague Nagraj to take over. Nagraj.
Hi everyone. This is Nagraj. ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ
ನಾಗರಾಜ್, ನಿಮ್ದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಸಾರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪವರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. ರೈನ್ ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಪ್ಪಳ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ರೈನ್ ಇದರಿಂದ ಪವರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸಾರಿ.
ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ನಾನು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ? ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಇದೆಯಾ ನಿಮ್ದು? ನೀವು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಘಶಾಲಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ನಮಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ.
ಇದೆ, ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಲಿಂಕ್, ಇವಾಗ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಲಿಂಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ವೆಬಿನಾರ್ದು. ಆ ವೆಬಿನಾರ್ದು ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇಘಶಾಲಾ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, ಏನಿದೆ ಮೇಘಶಾಲಾ ಯಾವ ತರ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಒಂದು ಶುಭ ಮೇಳದಾಗೆ ನನಗೊಂದು 20 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು.
ಮಾಡಿ, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, 20 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ.
ಓಕೆ, ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೊಂದು ಇದನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು ಲಿಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ನಾನು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ? ಓಕೆ.
Yeah, Nagraj, I can see your screen.
Yeah. ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ? ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಲಿಂಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಆ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನ ಲಿಂಕ್. ಶುಭ ಮೇಳದಾಗೆ ನಮ್ದು ಎಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಲೆಸನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಿರಣ್, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ಡ್ ಟು ಅಬೌಟ್ ಮೇಘಶಾಲಾ ಟು
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಇವಾಗ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. 1 minute, sorry. ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ
ಮೇಘಶಾಲಾ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಓಕೆ, ಮೇಘಶಾಲಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ನಮ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಮತ್ತು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ, ಹಿಂದಿ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಈ ಲೆಸನ್ಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದಾವೆ, NCERT ಮತ್ತು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಆ ಪಾಠಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಈ ಲೆಸನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ PPT ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದೀವಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇವಾಗ ಸದ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಪಾಠಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಮಣಿಪುರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ಗೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ರಿಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಇಲ್ದೇನೆ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಇಂದ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಅವ್ರು ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ದು ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂಡ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅವರು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇನ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಘಶಾಲಾ ಈ ಲೆಸನ್ಸ್ ಇವಾಗ ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಲಾಕ್ ಡೌನ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ದು ಒಂದು ತುಂಬಾ ಅನುಕೂಲವಾದಂತ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಮೇಘಶಾಲಾದು ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಂತಾರೆ, ಲಿಂಕ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲಿಂದ ನೋಡಿ, ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಇಂದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಲಿಂಕ್ ಓಪನ್
ನಾಗರಾಜ್ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ,
Sorry.
ನಾನು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Hello, everyone. I have been basically a proponent of Meghashala since last almost 3 years now. Interestingly, some of my colleagues from Infosys, one of my colleague, he quit Infosys and joined Meghashala. That's how I know this very closely on what is this and how this has come up. This is an NGO which is basically formed by volunteers of Teach for India. Some of you would have heard about Teach for India. They are very passionate volunteers. They have come together with the sole purpose of making these very multimedia rich resources, which is also relevant to the Karnataka state syllabus. They have put together very nicely, and this is also approved by DSCRT. They have recently, just a couple of months back, they had signed an MOU with DSCRT, so that this is fully approved by DSCRT for your usage in the classrooms. So without any doubt or any question mark, you can start exploring it, and wherever it is relevant you can use it. And in my experience, we have actually helped about 15 schools to adopt Meghashala. The teachers are so happy about it. Now they need not have to prepare the notes. Basically, this is available as bullet points, so that they can directly take the Meghashala content. They can open it on their mobile, and it is available as notes, and they can start projecting it and discussing and also presenting it to the children in the classroom. Okay, and there is a teachers mode where it is quite exhaustive, where they can use it to prepare for the session. Then there is a teaching mode where the teacher's notes will be hidden, and you can use it directly to present to the students. Now with this COVID coming in, the advantage is the same mobile can be shared on Google Meet, and you can definitely, it is already ready for presenting it either on mobile. Actually it is designed for the mobile, so that very little text is there, so that, for example, in the screen what you are seeing now, there is a lot of text, right? A lot of photographs which are not designed for the mobile aspect ratio. Whereas the Meghashala content, once you see in the mobile, you will realize it is designed for mobile, with the mobile first approach. So most of the students might be looking at the content maybe their parents' smartphone. So it is very, very convenient for the students to consume. Even if you create in PPT, as of now, even PPT is designed for the desktop or the laptop or the larger screen. Whereas Meghashala content, they have carefully designed it for the mobile from the beginning. So it's a blessing in disguise for the current situation. So once you start exploring, you will see how useful it is and how relevant it is to the current context. So we will be more than happy, since I am using it since our last 3 years. I am also quite familiar with the Meghashala, how basically we have to load it, how do you have to register it, and how comprehensive and how relevant it is to the Karnataka state syllabus, and what are the various contents. So over to you, Nagaraj.
ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಕಿರಣ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ನಾನು ಕಿರಣ್ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೆ ನಾವು ಆಂಡ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅವಾಗ್ಲಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು. ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ವೆಬ್ ಕೂಡ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ವೆಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಲೆಸನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಮೊದ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಆಂಡ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ ಫೋನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದಿತ್ತು, ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ವೆಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅದನ್ನ ಯಾವ ತರ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ನಮ್ ಲೆಸನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡೀಪ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಶುಭಮ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ನಾನು ಆ ಲಿಂಕ್ ನ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ? ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೀ ಇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನಿಮಗಿದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಮೇಲ್ ಐಡಿ ಕೇಳುತ್ತೆ. ಇಮೇಲ್ ಐಡಿ ಹಾಕಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮ್ಗೊಂದು OTP ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಇಮೇಲ್ ಐಡಿಗೆ. ಆ OTP ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಈ ತರ OTP ಹಾಕಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಈ ತರ ಲೆಸನ್ಸ್ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಸನ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ನಾನು ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬೋರ್ಡು, ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್, ಗ್ರೇಡ್, ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸಬ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ಮೇಜರ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ KSB. ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ವೆಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಮತ್ತು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ, ಹಿಂದಿ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಮೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವೆಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ KSB ಮಾತ್ರ ನೀವು KSB ಇದು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು, NCERT ಮತ್ತು KSB. ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಒಂದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ KSB. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯಾವ್ದು ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಬಂದು 7 ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ, ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ 1 ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ನಾನು 1 ತಗೊಂತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಲೆಸನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಗ್ರೇಡ್ 7 ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ಗ್ರೇಡ್ 7 ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಲೆಸನ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು, ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಲೆಸನ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ವ್ಯೂ ಲೆಸನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಒಂದನ್ನು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಆ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ ಲೆಸನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು 5 ಮಾಡಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಯಾವ ತರ ಲೆಸನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ. ಒಂದು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ ಲೆಸನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಆ ತರ ಮಾಡಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ 1 ಫುಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಂಟೋನೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಲೆಸನ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ ಒಂದು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಕರ್ಸರ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಬರೀ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ವ್ಯೂ. ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಫುಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಲೆಸನ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇವಾಗ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನಿರೋ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಪ್ಪಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಸ್ಲೋ ಇದೆ. ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು ಲೆಸನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈ ತರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಫುಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ಸನೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬಿಡ್ದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಇದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಇದೆ, ಈ ತರ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ರೆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು, ರೆಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಈ ರೆಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಬಂದಿರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಟೀಚರ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಹಂಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್, ಯಾವ ತರ ನಾವು ಟೈಮ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಒಂದು 45 ನಿಮಿಷದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೆ, ಲೆಸನ್ ಓವರ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಲೆಸನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ವಾಟ್ ವೈ ಯಾವ, ಈ ತರದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ದು. ನೀವು ಪಾಠಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಂಗೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ ಎನಿ ಟೈಮು. ನೀವು ಆಂಡ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್, ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದೆ, ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ಯಾರು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೇನ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕೋ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ ಜೊತೆಯಾಗಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಈ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಲೆಸನ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು.
Yeah, Shalini.
Hello.
Yeah, Shalini, you can download the content. A good part is it's also offline version is available. So, and I am in the process of getting the offline version from them. Once I get it, I will share in the group so that all of you can directly take it either from the Google Drive or somewhere, so that you need not have to download one by one. Otherwise, already you can download from your mobile or your computer through the web app one by one.
ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರು ನೋಡಿ, ಶುಭಮ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಲೆಸನ್ಸ್. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವೇನಂದ್ರೆ ಇಮೇಲ್ ಐಡಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಮೇಲ್ ಐಡಿಗೆ ಒಂದು OTP ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ OTP ಇಂದ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಲೆಸನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಆ ತರ ಲೆಸನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Yes, Kiran.
Yeah.
You can go ahead.
Thanks, Nagraj. Folks, if you have any question, you can keep shooting it in the chat window. Don't unmute, otherwise there are too many people talking together. Please keep chatting in the chat window. Keep sending your questions in the chat window.
Yeah, sure. I will be answering, and Shubham will be me. We can answer any. If you
So next 5 minutes we'll
thank you
spend on question answer. Then I will switch over to one of the animation samples, and also time permits of the augmented reality as well. Let me know if you have any questions. We have 68 participants. I am sure those of you who are hearing for the first time, you will have a lot of questions. Can you please ask? Feel free. Yeah, Tara.
Kiran, I suggest that, instead of waiting for them, we can now have them post it on the web, the group where we can reply and continue your session.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I want to also give them some more basically information on how easily we can reach out to Meghishala. Kausar is asking for third language English also is available. Yes, Kausar. They have covered 100% as per the Karnataka state government syllabus as well as CBSE, first standard to 8th standard. It is supported on iOS through web app, madam. Indumati ma'am, iOS you have to use web app. That whatever link Shubham has said.
Yeah. If I can come in, Kiran. iOS is not supported with Meghishala. Meghishala doesn't have an app on iOS, and this is basically because most of the teachers actually use Android. So if you have to use the Meghishala instead of iOS, you can use the Meghishala web app. And for the subjects, again, we have lessons in science, math, social studies, English, and EVS as subjects. But we do not have the languages, which is Hindi language or Kannada language subjects. We do not have. We only have these other five subjects that I mentioned.
Thanks, Shubham.
Yes.
I just have a quick question. I don't know, my chat is a bit slow right now. I'm sorry to interrupt, but I just thought, let me quickly ask these lessons, particularly science. Do they have activities, hands-on activities? Does it include that?
Right. So
Thank
yes, ma'am. The science subjects have videos as well as activities, and these activities. So Megshala's homeworks are generally activities. So, for example, if we are talking about radius and diameter, I can just give a small example. The homework is not doing certain sums, but instead like talking to your mother while she's rolling the chapati and getting to know how much is the diameter, measuring it by scale, coming with the answers in the next class and discussing it in the class. So our activities are also based similarly. We have group activities as well as individual activities, and also for the experiments, knowing very well that many government schools might be have limited resources in their schools. We also have video recordings of those particular experiments which we have created in house, which was otherwise difficult in a school setting to do that.
Awesome. Thank you so much. That was very informative. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, any further question?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Yeah, thanks Shubham and Nagraj for joining us. I'm sure you are just a WhatsApp away or email away if you need any help. Okay.
Yes.
And
yes.
I know Amrita and others very closely, so I will reach out to them as well. Okay. Thanks a
Sure.
lot for joining in short notice, and we appreciate your time.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kiran.
Yeah,
Thank you.
folks, I have just shared my screen. You can see this is the actually output of the Raspberry Pi. The below the one which has the red dot is the Raspberry Pi. Yeah, but it is able to display in such a large 32-inch monitor. So I had clicked this picture when Nagraj was showing. This is the Megshala filter screen where you can see how elaborate the content is, and you can choose whatever specialization you want. So like this, this is just to show the power of Raspberry Pi. So now let me switch back to one of the simple animation which we have created. So let me just share that. Yeah.
Kiran sir,
Yeah, help.
with that link what Mr. Nagaraj have provided, now we will be able to access those things?
Yeah, that is the live link. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
In fact, web app was released just last week, so it is just a coincidence.
Yeah, while he was presenting, I had accessed it, so it is available.
Thank you.
I'm
Thank you so
also
much.
in touch with Megashala team to give me the offline content so that you can easily should be able to give it even in schools where they don't have internet, or it will be a boon for the teachers so that they need not have to spend their data plan to download it. Okay. Yeah, now let me quickly share my animation screen where I will show some of the animations which we have created for teaching English. So this, let me just share that. So you're able to see my screen, right? Can one of you, Sharmaji or Tara, can you confirm?
Yes.
Okay. I'm showing
yes.
Scratch.
Yeah, yeah.
So this is the site address, scratch.mit. Let me just type. Yeah, this is scratch.mit.edu. If you just type this, so on any computer, irrespective of whether you are using Windows or Mac or Linux or Raspberry Pi, this works on all of them. Okay. So now they are in pure HTML format. That is any portal. It's a very lightweight, so it works on your mobile also. Even on your mobile browser, if you type this, you will be able to open it. So that's the advantage. Here, it also, this is created by MIT, stands for Massachusetts Institute of Technology, which is in America. So they have created, the students of MIT, they have created this for the people, and it has been created almost 10 years back. So millions of children are using it, and they are creating and uploading it on this portal. And it is possible, like any other site, you can create your login and you can upload your content like this, how we have uploaded. Now if I click, this is my ID, I have just used Crazy Cat, and click on my stuff. Yeah, here are the stuff which I have created with the by working with Prema and Tara ma'am. So let me just show you quickly one of the simple animations. So now let me just open it. Okay. Now just if I click, you will see it running. Can one of you explain what you just saw? You saw this girl also doing something.
A dog is running towards to girl.
Okay. And what did the girl say?
Cat is running slow.
Let me run again.
Well, nobody observed the girl.
Yeah, let me run it again. Please observe. Yeah, now somebody else. Can you just explain what you just saw?
The girl is comparing the speed of the running of the dog.
Yeah, wonderful.
Or the cat.
Can one of you tell me? Yeah, one is, this is very simple. How you can use this to teach English?
Antonyms. To explain antonyms.
Then what else?
Adjectives, sir.
What else?
Adjectives.
Verbs.
Tense.
Adjectives. What else? You can do lot many. You keep thinking and keep suggesting. Wonderful.
Framing sentence.
Tenses.
Verbs can be taught.
Yes.
Opposites.
Sir, continuous tense. Present continuous tense.
So, yeah, look at it. In 2 minutes of seeing this, you are giving me ideas what all things you can teach, right? I can introduce by click of a button one more dog. Then you can use singular, plural, all those things. Then I will also show how easy to make these dogs compete with each other. Which dog came first. I will also show one created by Prema ma'am where she is showing a horse race. Now let me show you how simple it is to create this. Okay, let me just click on see inside. And for your information, this is exactly we showed for a 3rd standard student in the DKS hippocampus when we started 2 years back. 3rd standard or doesn't matter 5th standard, they got it in just half an hour. I have to just show them how this color coding. So they don't know English, but they were able to pick it up from the color. Okay, how creative they can get. So, and the good part is, since this is in English, even you can try it in Kannada medium. It's incidental. They will also learn actually English. For example, when we did it in another school called Annasandrapalya, I think my friend Guru, he's here, he can tell us. So, when we, I have the video, probably I will share in the WhatsApp group later. So you can see those Kannada medium, again 3rd standard students, how they are helping other students which block to use. Okay, so whether it's weight or whether it is next costume, you can see this Kannada medium students shouting at next costume, even without knowing what is next costume. But by virtue of doing this, they will figure out what does next costume mean. Now let me explain one by one. Now you are seeing the one cat here. This cat is called a sprite. Okay, this cat Okay, let me just show you the costume. Okay, here you are seeing. Now let me show one by one. All these are handwritten and uploaded. So this also you can use it to encourage the kids to basically they will love the sketching by pencil as well, and now how they can bring life to these sketches. Okay, here is the first sketch, second sketch, third, fourth. So can you tell me how these pictures are related? One of you unmute and tell me.
It is more like motion picture.
Yeah, it's exactly the same thing which movie makers use it. Okay, now let me just press the space bar. Now look at it, what happens on the right window. Okay, I am now just displaying these pictures. Instead of choosing by mouse, I am just moving frame by frame here. Okay, now you get an idea, right? If I keep it pressed, then it will start running. Now look at it, how smoothly it looks. Okay, now that you know how it works, now let's see how we are automating it, how to make the speed fast and slow. Okay, so here, don't worry about this for now. Now let's look at this one. This is the main code which is making it run. This is also not required, and this is also optional. Okay, only this much what you are seeing here. Okay, when green flag is clicked, forever means keep doing it. And this violet, it is telling next costume. Next costume means each of this is a costume. If it is displaying, let's say, cat 0, next costume will just say it displays cat 1. When it is showing cat 1, next costume means it displays cat 2. Okay, so like this. Now let's remove this white also. That's all the code is required. Now I will make it run again. You see what happens. Can one of you explain your understanding of this? That's all is required. You don't need any of them.
I'm feeling it like C programming.
No, I don't want software answer. I want teacher's answer.
It's like one of the craziest books which we had earlier for a free book for Boost and all they used to give. Now, if we turn the page faster, we feel like it's running.
Answer. So interestingly, yeah, you would have experienced. One of the books you can also write, and also you can see one magician removing a rabbit from his
Yes,
hand.
sir.
Yeah, madam, go ahead.
Yes, sir. It's look like a flip book animation. Like it shows even it is still it looks like moving. So same way it is also.
That is true. Any other observations? What do you understand by this? And okay, and how creatively you can use this to teach? Can you tell me? Apart from English, what else skills that children will learn by this?
Drawing,
Yeah,
sir.
fantastic. Yeah, you can, even drawing teacher can use it. Then what else?
Then thinking, sir, thinking about new topics, how they are created.
Wonderful. Now, in this case, it only running. You can also do other actions, right? It can kick a ball, no? It can catch a bone, or it can catch a ball. You can make this girl to throw a ball. So that means you can get as creative as you can. Your imagination is the limit.
Yes, sir. Here instead of showing still object, we can show the movement object in
And
this.
can you create stories in this?
Yes, sir, we
Yeah,
can create.
now she is just telling two sentences. Cat is running slowly, cat is running fast. So we can make the cat to do something else and she can keep narrating. Okay, next session. Yeah, go ahead.
Uh, Sir, in the month of February, Prema ma'am and Tara ma'am and three persons from the Infosys, uh, they taught this create animation. That time we created the story of inviting birthday party and showing audio
Okay,
performance, sir. And children are doing well in that
wonderful.
Udmuru
By
school
any
from my
chance, do you have that animation accessible so that you can share it in the next class or in the WhatsApp group?
but in my laptop I don't have the scratch
No
app,
problem.
sir.
We will help you out. Just ping us. We will tell you how to use it. Like now, I am not using app. I am directly using the website.
Yeah, sure, sir. Definitely,
Yeah.
I'll show it.
So what else you can
Class.
do just by this animation which you saw today? No, I am asking
Yes,
other
sir.
teachers that you have experience. That's
Yes.
good. Whoever is seeing for the first time, can you let me know what other things you can create from this? Okay, using the same animation, we have done Kannada Vyakarana. We have brought in Arasana Mane. We have brought in the picture of a Aramane and Arasa also, where Arasa, the king himself, is talking about it. And you can introduce lot many characters. Look at how the range. Okay, you have animals. Then you have people. Then you have fantasy, that is characters. Then you have dance, music. So like this, your imagination is the limit. You can pick up any of these characters. Next session, we will show you how to do each of them, or we will post a video how to do it, so that we can optimize the time. Okay, so just by the scratch, we have experimented with science teachers, maths teachers, music teachers. So anybody can create anything, only imagination is the limit. It gives full flexibility and you don't need to learn any coding. It is just drag and drop. For example, to move. And another, look at how interesting is how to play music. Here what we have done, now let me remove this. Okay, now this won't run, only this will run. As if I click, cat will not run. Are you able to hear music, Vinod?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Oh,
yes,
wonderful.
we're able to hear the
Wonderful.
music.
So look
Yes,
at
sir.
it. Now I am playing dance sitar, means sitar. I can easily change the sound. As of now, there is something called dance funky also. Okay, now I can quickly go and change it to another music. Look at it. I have to just do this, and you look at how nicely this will play. Either you can click here. So look at the impact this gives on the cat movement. I will make it run again. Let me just get that. It will be in control, events. Just drag and drop. And now if I run this, look at it. So which one was good? Sitar was good, or this one is good?
Sitar was good, sir.
Yeah, when I show this to kids, they will also immediately say sitar was good. It looks as if it has been created just for cat running, and it is very pleasant also. And this music need not have to be just these. You have got lot of them, lot of the collection. Let me just show you the collection, how to get it. Look at it. All these musics are available. So like this piano, tabla. So you can just choose whatever you want. Anyway, we will show you how to do that. So you can actually make characters come in and play in a full-fledged orchestra. Then you can import your own music. You can import your own photographs. So the possibilities are immense. Okay.
Yeah.
So there is no limit. So let me just quickly show one more animation which we have created. Then we will take the question answer. This one again, my colleague wrote this sketch. A girl's skipping. See how easy it is. Now we have used. Now let me just play it for now. Then I will show you how we have done it.
Jenny is skipping. Jenny is skipping.
Were you able to hear the commentary also?
Yes, sir.
Any guesses whose
Yes,
voice
sir.
was
Yes,
that?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Jenny is skipping.
Is it Tara
It's
ma'am's
Prema
voice?
ma'am's voice.
Yes, sister,
It's just
anyway.
her sisters. Okay, yeah, just wanted to show you that it is possible to import your own voice. And look at how simple it is. The code is just this. Okay, and look at the pictures. There are only two pictures. So what happened? One second. Yeah, it's here. Yeah, one is this picture and another is this picture. Okay, my colleague who is a good artist, he did it in 5 minutes, and I just clicked on my mobile and imported it. So next class we will show you how you can create your own pictures and import it. Okay, so let me show one more interesting one. Yeah, this one we did it to show the sentence creation. This was the first one which we experimented. Don't worry, this is a bit complex, but however, we will help you to create. Let me just play this. So now it is the students have to match it in the right order. For example, so how has to come in the beginning. Then what happens if I bring this? Okay, this also can be corrected. Okay, so what we had designed was only when it does this, the train should move. Okay, so it said brilliant and it moved. So like this, again, imagination is the limit. So now let me stop here so that I can take. I'm sure you will have a lot of questions. First thing, let me announce. Just give me a second. That most of you would have come because somebody forwarded you the link. So there's no way I can capture the attendance here. So I am going to put my WhatsApp number here so that you can see. Yeah, go ahead.
Can I just come in?
Yeah,
I just want to make a comment. That train that you saw, that activity was made by Prema. Why I want to highlight it here is that this is a possibility that you can use to check your learning from your students. And this would be a very interesting activity for students to learn language. Prema will show more of this when she comes on.
Yeah,
Thank you.
thanks,
Thank you, Kiran.
So yeah, this was one second, Bhagavlakshmi. Actually, again, let me tell some more information about this animation. So when Tara and Prema approached us that they would like to animate the PPTs which they are using. So then we said, what in which one, in which context? Then when they said in the sentence formation, that is when it got us thinking, because we had not done a sentence formation. So one of our volunteers, he learned within 3 hours, he was able to create this. So then we started showing that to teachers wherever we go, so that you can teach whether sentence formation, tenses, whatever, it's your imagination. So we can help you with that. Okay. So yeah, that was the first one. Then we started exploring, and many animations we have created, and we have a large repository. So and you should be able to explore it. We encourage you to try it out before just trying to copy somebody else's. That's where the fun is, and you should also encourage your students to do it. That is where the real learning comes. Okay. And regarding the announcement, most of you would have, if you have come through some other referral, somebody else would have given you the Google link. Please send your WhatsApp number to my WhatsApp number, which I have just posted in the chat window, It is 7760885511, so that I will add you to the common WhatsApp group, so that all the communications will happen through the WhatsApp. Okay, now you can unmute and you can ask any question. Bhagyalakshmi ma'am, you had some question, go ahead.
Thank you, sir. Not a question, sir. Just wanted to add that train activity can also be used in higher classes for sequential learning in science or even in social science also. Chronological ordering of the events or
Thank you,
something
ma'am.
like that.
Yeah, these are the insights which we want you to tell us, so that you know what works. For us, we can do anything. You just tell us what you want and we can create it. But we don't know how effective that will be. Just to give you confidence, this same Scratch is being used in Stanford University to teach engineering students. Okay, that's how complicated ones also we can do. A bird singing also we can do. So we can make it very simple, and depending on the need we can actually create. Yeah, any other suggestions and ideas? Feel free, this is your time. We are not
I think there may be some hesitation that how do we learn this new technology now at this hour. But let me just tell you that there are two prime examples here, Tara Madam and Prema Madam. And they learned to Scratch when they were, I think, 3 times older than many of you. So they started, but they have now. Actually, I feel very shy to come before them because they have done a lot with the Scratch. So that's the thing. So learning can be done at any time, but I love this program, especially the Scratch, because it gives us an opportunity to what we call as learning, interdisciplinary learning. Okay, we don't have to, if I'm a science teacher, I also have an opportunity to teach English, or if I'm an English teacher, I also have an opportunity to teach science without telling that I'm teaching you the science. So that is the beauty of it. And the most important is, of the 5 years that we talk about in the classroom, the entertainment is the one which we usually forget in the classroom. But here, it is through the entertainment that we teach, engage, and also educate. It's a beautiful program that we can use in the classroom. One of the examples is this. You have seen how the cat runs. And when the cat runs, you are also teaching English. But at the same time, when we teach English, there are several things. The English pronunciation can be something that we can teach. English grammar, we can teach. English spelling, we can teach. All that remains is use the same thing to modify it and then use it for the occasion. It is possible for any teacher who is a little bit interested and who can just be creative, and it's fun. Once you start doing it, you will get addicted to that. So that's what my experience is.
Can I talk something?
Go ahead.
Can I say something, Sharma sir? I want. Yeah, as usual, he hit the nail on the head. But what I think they mean is how to learn it at this time is with all these constitutions. I want to say that I learned Scratch with a 1 hour conversation with Kiran. Just in 1 hour, but he taught me on the phone. So it's very possible even in this time to learn. Very easy.
Yeah, let me tell one more experience with DKS, the hippocampus, which is Kodihalli. There we had one more teacher who was there. Interestingly, they had only Linux computer. They did not had Windows. All of you are using Windows. Okay, so Chandan, please don't share anything. So then I actually used to give him Unix commands on phone and WhatsApp, and he made it work in a day. He set it up on 12 machines in a day by firing Linux commands, by proving all of our software engineers wrong, that it needs at least 1 week to learn Linux commands. So he did it in one day. He used to just take a picture on his phone and used to WhatsApp me what error he is getting. So I was able to immediately figure out and help him out. So in one day, 12 machines were up, and also some of the students, when we ask what do you want, what do you like about this, now they are telling, now the school suddenly has become very interesting. Earlier, most of the government schools, the children will come to the school for the midday meal. Now they have another excuse to come to the school. Now they have a creative basically period where they get to use computer. To our surprise, they don't need any teacher to come and switch on the computer. They don't need any teacher to come and monitor the work or give them the work. Okay, they are waiting, like when the bell rings, how they run to the home, no? So like that, as soon as they open the computer room door, they will just rush to go and grab their seat, and they will just switch on and get on to make the bird fly. And also we used to give them scratch cards. I will show you in the next class what's a scratch card. And we had given one booklet. So there was a competition, healthy competition. I did 5, I did 6, like that. We were so overjoyed to see that third standard students competing on something which they had not seen so far, and they are doing it on their own. It's really exciting for us. And sometimes teachers used to take the back seat because these students would have figured out how to make it work. Okay, so it's a very interesting experience.
This is a good opportunity to allow teachers and students to become partners in learning, because teachers also depend upon students, and students feel very valued by their competence. And I think this is going to work very well for a democratic learning experience in the classroom.
Yeah, anybody else has any comment, or you can also ask how easy or how difficult, or what's your apprehensions?
So I just have one doubt. Is this available on the mobile also, sir? Can the children access it on the mobile? Yes, sir. But in that they are using Junior Scratch.
No,
Some
whatever I
features
showed
are
you
not
here,
available.
the Scratch, this you can open it on your mobile. This opens.
Oh,
This runs on HTML.
okay.
As long as you have internet, you can open it.
Yes, sir. Should we open it through the browser or through Play Store? Browser. Okay, sir. In
No, you
Play
don't need
Store,
an
it's not
app.
available.
You just open in the browser.
Okay, okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
I think people will open up a little more slowly, and then they still have the opportunity to post their doubts, questions on the group, WhatsApp group, so that we can pick it up and respond to them in the next session.
Yes,
Don't you
Tara.
think so?
Yeah. Yeah, Bhagyalakshmi, yes, I saw your comment. Like Scratch, Turtle Blocks also excite children. Well, my suggestion is do not explore. There are varieties, there are third-party apps, but let's stick to one so that all of us know how it behaves. And when we give assignments, all of you can do it on the Scratch. Let's stick to Scratch for now, because it's very easily we will get tempted and it will cause distraction. And if there is any issue, if Turtle Block or something else is not working, then we will unnecessarily spend time in clarifying it, and it will frustrate if it is not working as smooth as Scratch. Scratch is done by the smartest people in the world, and it is being refined. So we have seen it over last 3 years, and there are millions of people using around the world. So ready help is available. We can post it on the MIT site. We will get immediate response. Even if there is any bug in the system, they will immediately fix it. It's a fully open source.
So will this be done next week, or
Yeah, we
what is it
will
like?
start with Scratch. Of course, even when Prema does that, she will use Scratch to teach English. When I do it, I use Scratch to teach science and maths. Similarly, Sharmaji will use Scratch. So Scratch will be the inherent part of all the sessions which we are going to do. But don't wait until next week. Tomorrow itself, I am going to share some of the assignments which you can get started. because not necessarily you need hand holding. This Scratch has been built so that you can do it on your own. So so nicely and intuitively they have done it, and I will share all the help resource videos which are available, PDFs which are available, and how do you access the sample projects created. So you can get started starting today, now itself, if you want. If you just go to this site, let me post that in the chat window as well, so that you need not have to search for it. Yeah, in the meantime, any further questions you can ask.
Sir, what if I miss the next meeting, sir? If you're taking the next class, what if
I'm
we
recording
miss that?
today's session as well. Yeah, by tomorrow itself, I will share
Okay.
the YouTube link. So you will get it every week.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Yes, yes.
Yeah, you can just talk. It's okay. If you like it, you can say that also, so that we'll also feel good about it.
Sir, I have a doubt. Sir, now how can how can we present the screen, sir, from the
No.
gallery also? From the gallery or browsing something
No,
to the children?
now how did I present same way? No, I presented cat running to all of you, right?
Not that one, sir. Screening. Present screen. How
No,
we
still,
present the screen?
is it on Google Meet or some other platform?
No, sir. Google Meet or any video call. No,
in
video
Google
call I
Meet,
know that.
why not you try right now? On the right bottom corner, you have an option called.
Sir,
Then
that
what is
one
your
I
question?
know. I know it. But what information? Which information I do now? I am showing to others.
Yeah, you try.
Shall I try, sir?
Yeah, Shashikala, we can see your screen now.
Yeah,
Switch the
sir.
screen.
After
No,
that,
press
I
the
don't
home
know how
button.
to
Go to some
show
other
the
screen.
information.
Then we can see whatever you are showing on your mobile.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah, now
Yeah,
you can
yes,
see your
sir.
daughter. Yeah.
It
Yeah,
is
yeah, you can
opening,
see it.
sir.
Yeah, now you got it.
One
Okay.
second.
Next question, please.
Hello.
Yeah,
Thank you,
tell me.
sir.
Sir, I have one doubt. While doing the lesson, while presenting the video, audio will not be
Now I
play.
played
What
the
to do
cat,
for that?
right? When
Video
I
will
played
play,
the
but
cat, you also saw the video, sound along with that. Same way, no? There's no difference.
huh? Yeah.
So there's no difference, no?
But in gallery, when we go in, well, we go into the
Okay,
gallery and
okay.
we'll
Yeah,
play
yeah,
the
yeah. Now
video.
what you have to do is
Audio students
when you
can't hear
when the
that.
present now comes, you have to say entire screen. Your entire screen.
Huh?
There are three options. There are your entire screen, a window, or a Chrome tab. You click on your entire screen. Then from then onwards,
Huh?
whatever you do on your laptop will be visible.
Okay.
Audible also.
And
Like
audible
how
also.
I didn't do any magic. You just saw how the cat running and the sitar music came, no? That was coming from the software only.
Yeah, through mobile. Yeah, sir.
No,
We are
mobile
using
also
through
same
mobile
thing.
Google Meet. No, in mobile.
Can I use my mobile? I can show you.
Okay.
If you want. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, now we are seeing Siddharam's mobile. So same way. Siddharam,
Huh?
would you like to play some video? Yeah, let me try on my mobile. Yeah, it is telling some unable to play in yours. Yeah, Siddharam, can you stop sharing? Let me just share my screen. Okay, now we are seeing my mobile. We'll see if there are any videos. Yeah, I'm able to hear. Are you able to? Sorry.
The Moorkanadu AEMAUP school is experimenting with augmented reality during their virtual
Okay. Now I got the problem. Yeah, the problem is the inherent.
Hello.
One second.
Hello.
Kiran, the video's audio is not coming.
Audio is not coming, sir.
One second. Let me talk. Yeah, I got the problem. What happens is when you start playing the video and broadcasting it, you're able to hear me now? Are you able to hear me? Okay. Yeah. When you start broadcasting, because your bandwidth is so low, what happens is the picture gets frame by frame, it starts broadcasting.
Okay.
So your network bandwidth is already choked because it's for video, it sends 24 frames per second. If nothing is moving, it won't send anything. For example, on my screen now, nothing is being shared. So the bandwidth which is going on the network is very slow. That's why you are able to see it. But when you are sharing the video, then 24 frames per second bandwidth will be choked already. Then there is no bandwidth left for the audio to go. So unfortunately, in the low bandwidth situation, this challenge will come. Look at in my same problem happened with my laptop. I am sitting here with 70 Mbps, 70 megabits per second. That's why my cat, when it was running, the audio came. You were able to hear. Whereas when I was using my mobile, it uses 10 Mbps. So it was not enough for it to send both audio and video together. Okay, yeah, that is unfortunately in the low bandwidth situation, you will not be able to send the video. Yeah.
Yeah, hello, sir.
Yeah, Rashmi, tell me.
Can we use 3D Sketch? Can we import 3D Sketch and can we do animation by using Scratch tool, sir?
Send me one of the 3D sketches. I will show you how. Okay, Rashmi, do you have access to any 3D sketches? Yeah.
No, not right now,
tomorrow you
sir.
can WhatsApp me. I will show it to you.
Sure. Thank you.
Yeah, any other questions? Yes,
sir, am I audible? Sir, it is good that we explored something about Scratch and all. Like yesterday, you told about PhET simulation. I explored it and I found it very interesting, and it is very helpful for teaching science.
No, others don't
physics,
know what
mathematics
is
like
PhET.
that.
Let me share the screen, then you can talk. Yeah, keep talking. In the meantime, I will share it.
Is that the only exploration? Like, is that like going to PhET and use all the documents which are already there, or can we able to create documents according to our need in
yeah, you
PhET
can create,
simulation?
but it needs basically HTML coding. It's all in HTML.
Okay. Are we going to
if you are
learn all
interested,
those things?
I can teach you. We know how to code HTML. But I don't think other teachers we can do in the group, because it will be difficult for everybody to understand. Let me share the screen so that you can talk about what Hari was talking about PhET. Give me 1 second. So Hari, you are able to see my screen? So now let me start the color. Now let me start with red color. So when I put the red torch, he or she is seeing the red color. Then I will start the green torch. Now suddenly it became yellow color. Any guesses why it became yellow? Hari, can you?
Yeah, it's the mixing of primary colors to get secondary color.
Then what happens if I mix green and now white became white? No, let somebody else answer.
All the colors are mixed.
Sir.
Yeah, now what happens if I do half? Okay. Any idea, any guesses how many such combination are possible? Yeah. Anybody?
Sir, it is generally 255 into 255 into 255.
Raviranjan.
Ravi.
It's unfair, no?
Yeah,
You
yeah.
already saw this experiment.
I'm computer scientist, so I know that
Anyway,
RGB colors are there,
opportunity
and
for teachers to learn.
Okay, sir.
You're right. Teachers, can you guess how many? Yeah, he said 255 into 255 into 255. Can you tell me the number? Hari, can you guess? Take a guess, no?
No, sir, I
There's
don't
nothing
know,
right
like,
or wrong. Don't be shy.
Okay.
You
Shall
can
I,
tell
sir?
your name and then you can tell the answer.
Yeah, myself Bharti Divakar. It comes up to 16,581,375
Just did the
sheets.
calculation. No, that is a small number, ma'am. Technically, we can go higher. There's a much bigger number. Anybody else? Yeah, Raviranjan, you have to tell why only 255. Where did you got the 255? Give the technical answer. That's fine.
So we are using different bits, right? So we have 8 bytes for
Let's
every
stop there.
shades
Here,
of color.
then that is the limitation of your computer to display. That doesn't mean nature doesn't have this color.
Yeah.
Yes.
Nature have billions of colors, and in 1 second we can identify at least 30,000 different shades
So,
of colors.
as Ravi said, there are billions of colors. Means there is no limit, right? You can have very little portion of blue, whereas then you can keep varying this. So there are billions of combinations which you can have. Even though human eyes cannot differentiate those billions of colors, even computer has a limitation, as he rightly said, 255 into 255 into 255. That's 16 million. Anyway, I think some of the powerful computers are using much more. You can even generate much more. So anyway, we don't need to, that's just an academic interest. But can you guess how this will be useful to the students? This you can show even sitting at your home, and the students being there at home, like how I am showing, how this is useful to the students in your context of teaching physics. Anybody take a guess?
So we can use it for teaching optical illusion and the combination of colors also, and the dispersion. Like it is the reverse way of dispersion, like combining all color, getting white light, rather than using the sunlight and getting refract it and get the spectrum. It is like using the other colors to create a white light, other white color,
Thanks,
like that.
Yeah, you can do basically, interestingly, when I ask this question to the government school children, first time when I go, how many colors are there in the nature? Consistently, they will say 12. Okay, any guesses why? How they got the number 12?
Maybe depending on the sketch, on the number of sketch pens on the
Look at
different
it.
sketch pens,
The
they will get.
students will tell whatever they are exposed to. They are seeing a group of 12 sketch pens, they think 12 is the color. Or if nobody asks, people don't remember, they will say 7. Any guesses where the 7 came from? Yeah, rainbow.
Rainbow.
Yeah.
Rainbow.
So look at it. This simple experiment, you can use it to tell them it is much more than the 7. Definitely, even though they might not visualize 16 million. How do you make children understand this million? Any smarter ways to explain to them? Because you cannot imagine, right? What's a million? Sharma ji, any suggestions for the teachers? How you can explain bigger numbers to the students?
Not by words. Definitely no.
That's good. That's a good observation.
No point making them to mug up 1,000, 10,000, crore, 10 crore, 100 crore. Yeah, even I also learned like that only. Eka, dashaka, shataka and all.
I think Sharma sir has a activity through which he'll make them realize it. Have I guessed you right?
Yeah, one thing what we can do is if we are using FET, okay, so when we slide each of these things, so whenever you find a separate color, you make a paper slip or a piece of paper and keep it there. Or if it is a ragi grain, okay, keep it, whatever you have. So then you will see that the number goes high and high and high and high. And that is one way of doing. Because colors you cannot simply imagine.
Yes, sir.
The number of
colors. So actually,
I think we need
at a level. So when we say maybe when we start when I'm at an age where I can calculate, yes, then I can calculate and say like Ravi said, yes, so many numbers we have, but that is not the thing. So can we actually grasp that there are so many numbers and they are so different, and so many colors and they are so different, and they are so numbers, and that is a challenge.
Yeah, go ahead, Tara.
I think what Mr. Sharma can do is demonstrate it so that it becomes visually, catchy for the teachers, and they can absorb it instead of telling them now. Of course, the very good suggestion, and I see that they can do it better and implement it better if you actually show it. I mean, that's where your augmented reality, everything will come in now, one by one.
Exactly, exactly.
And another idea which comes to me is,
Kiran, that gives me an idea. So when we are talking about augmented reality, can we use this combination of colors and then bring it onto this? In the augmented reality realm.
I will show. Probably I will share one of the videos. Otherwise, I think the way we are going, it is getting packed with the discussions and the content. So, and I don't want to distract during the session, because the minute I open augmented reality, then there will be hundreds of questions.
Sure. No, this was only a comment.
We are overshot the time. I'm not so sure how it is with the participants. Should we be kind of winding up and do some housekeeping?
Anyway, there's good that still 36 teachers are around, even though we are overshot by 40 minutes. Thanks a lot, and sorry for doing this. Intentionally, we allowed it today, being first day. Look at it. We had to forego prima session. We had to forego half of your introduction. Even then, we are here. But thanks for your patience, and hope you liked it. And depending on the next session, I just want your suggestion. How is 90 minutes good enough, or should we extend it to 2 hours?
We'll keep it 90 minutes.
Yeah, they can put it on the WhatsApp group. I mean, they can post all their comments on WhatsApp group. We leave them with two questions. One is suggestions for time, and also another thing is what is it that they want to pursue in the next session. And we'll have some ideas also that we want to bring in. Along with that, whatever they want, whatever the participants want, then that can be accommodated also.
Yeah, any other suggestions from the teachers?
Yeah.
Feel free, because we don't want to impose our ideas.
Yes. If not here, let them post it on WhatsApp. We'll wait for that.
Yeah, Tara.
So can we wind up
Would you like
now?
to summarize?
Yeah. No, that's
Sure,
it.
sure.
I want you to do it because you've been doing all the ad
I think it was quite overwhelming. Even though we had planned, we might get 20 teachers which Tara and Prema ma'am are interacting with. So I was pleasantly surprised to have 70 of you today in the peak. And thanks, and good to see quite a few of my volunteer friends also have joined in. So we will also get to learn from them. And it doesn't matter whether you speak Kannada, English or Hindi or any other dialect, we will try and do it. So, and also, as Sharma ji said, we will stick to 90 minutes because there is no end to it. We can keep going and doing and discussing. So the format will slightly change it. Instead of discussing everything, you should not come to the session assuming we will give you the spoon feed, okay? Or we will basically we will make you hands-on during this session, because it is going to take a lot of time. If any of you are stuck, then the challenge will be to resolve individually. That will not be possible during this session. So during the week, as soon as you try it out, keep shooting your questions in the WhatsApp. We will answer. Otherwise, if required, we will get on to a one-on-one call, like yesterday how we did with one of Shashikala ma'am, Shivani ma'am. So how we were able to resolve one of the connectivity challenges so successfully. So like that, we will try and help. And thankfully, we have about 20 of my friends also have volunteered to join this. So we will have enough bandwidth to solve each and every of your problem. So we will have videos combined with this session. We will mostly use it to show what is possible and to answer your questions and to give you the pointers, so that we can stick to 90 minutes time frame, so that it will optimize all of our time and it will help us to plan and predict. Otherwise, it might get overwhelming. Some of you are catching up fast, some of you might be catching up slow. Then those who are catching up fast will also get frustrated if it take more time. Those who are catching up slow, they will feel that we are going too fast. So we have to ensure all of you get it when you come here. Okay. So that is my understanding and my view. So if you have any suggestions, please feel free. I will keep the chat window on for some more time, so that you can get to, since that you have already logged in, you can keep posting your ideas over here. Or I have already shared my WhatsApp number. Okay, share your name and WhatsApp, so that I will add you to the group which we already have it. Okay. So that's all I had. Thanks a lot.
So thanks everyone.
Thank you, sir. That was very interesting session and very useful for us.
Good night.
Thank you. Good night to all.